All right, so in this video, I want to solve these linear trig equations, and I want to solve them between 0 and 360 degrees. So make sure to put your calculator in degree mode when solving these kind of questions. Now, the first question over here, you always want to start by isolating sine, cos, or tan theta. So if I isolate sine theta, it's going to be sine theta is -1/2. The next thing you want to do is you want to do your cos rule. So I know that sine is negative. So if I do CAST, I know that sine is positive in A and S, which means sine is negative in T and C. The next thing I want to do is I want to find the acute angle. So in my calculator, I'm going to type the sine inverse of +1/2. When finding acute angles, never put the negative sign if there's a negative sign, or it may give you a wrong solution. So if I put that in my calculator, I get the acute angle to be 30 degrees. And then last is I want to find my complete solutions. So starting at this point here and going to both these two lines. So my first solution is 180 plus 30, which is 210 degrees. And my second solution is 360 minus 30, which is 330 degrees. Let's go to this second question over here. Again, I'm going to start by isolating my cos theta. So cos theta equals -2/3. Just have to divide the 3 on the other side. I'm going to do my cos rule again. I know that cos is positive in A and C, which means cos is negative in S and T. To find my acute angle, I'm going to do the cos inverse of +2/3. In my calculator, I get 48.2 degrees. I'll round to 1 decimal place here. So my first solution for theta is 180 minus 48.2, basically from here till here. So I go 180 minus 48.2. And if I do that on my calculator, I will get 131.8 degrees. My second solution is 180 plus 48.2, which is 228.2 degrees. Let's go to the third question. Third question is 2 tan theta equals to 3. So I'm going to start by dividing the 2 on the other side. Tan theta equals 3/2. Then I'll do my cos rule. And for my cos rule, I have tan is positive. That's going to be an A and T. Then in my calculator, I'll do the tan inverse of 3/2. I get 56.3 degrees is my acute angle. My first solution, my first quadrant is just going to be 56.3. So theta equals 56.3 degrees. And my second solution is going to be 180 plus 56.3, which is just 236.3 degrees. Okay, let's go to the fourth question. Fourth question is -3 sine theta minus 1 equals to 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 on this side. I'm going to move the -1 over. So I have -3 sine theta equals to 2. And then I'll divide by -3. So I have sine theta equals -2/3. I'll do my cos rule next. So sine is negative in T and C. We did this one before as well. I'll do the sine inverse of +2/3. And I get my acute angle to be 41.8 degrees. My first solution for theta is 180 plus 41.8, which is 221.8 degrees. My second solution is 360 minus 41.8, which is 318.2 degrees. All right, last few questions. So negative 5 cos theta plus 3 equals to 2. So I'll start by subtracting the 3 on the other side. So negative 5 cos theta equals negative 1. And I'll divide both sides by negative 5. So I get cos theta equals 1 over 5. Do my cast rule next. I'll squeeze it in here. The cos is positive in A and C. I'll do the cos inverse of 1 over 5. I get 78.5 degrees. So my first solution for theta is just 78.5 degrees, and my second solution is 360 minus 78.5, which is 281.5 degrees. And last question is going to be 8 minus tan theta equals to 10. So I'll start by subtracting the 8 on the other side. So I have negative tan theta equals to 2. Now I'll divide both sides by negative 1. So I have tan theta equals negative 2. I'll do my cast rule again. C-A-S-T. So tan is positive in A and T, which means tan is negative in S and C. I'll do the tan inverse of positive 2 to find my acute angle, which is 63.4 degrees. And then my two solutions, my first solution is 180 minus 63.4, which is 116.6 degrees. And my second solution is 360 minus 63.4, which is 296.6 degrees.